Good afternoon. My name is John Alexander. I'm with Dowco, and today we're going to be spending some time taking you through Cruisers Yachts 338 boat. Today we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about the new mooring cover system, the camper system. The camper system has both a blackout option that you use when you're storing the boat during the week when you're not there. It does also have a Stratoglass option. Lastly, we'll be covering the Stratoglass windshield and side curtains. There is another option for canvas that has a tonneau cover on it. We won't be covering that today. Thank you very much, and we'll enjoy it. All right, now that you've understood on how we put the canvas together, I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can remove the canvas so that when you go to put it together the next time, it'll be a lot simpler for you. First thing we're going to do is come to your center rope ratchet. This is a ratchet system that you've probably used before. You just take the ratchet, deactivate the button, and then push it backwards until it springs itself loose. And once that pops, give yourself just a little bit of extra slack there. Come over to the port side. These are what we call rope ratchets. You give a little bit of tension. With your thumb, you remove the silver toggle, which allows that to take tension off from that. And then on your starboard side, you repeat the same. A little bit of tension, silver tab, and release the pressure on that. Once you have the pressure released on the cover lift system, then you're just going to go back to your zippers, start from either port or starboard, relieve the zippers here, which gives you access to the canvas, and then do your side curtains. And that's how you take your canvas off. Thank you very much for joining us today on canvas installation for the Cruiser's 338 model. Please go to the link below if you have questions on what we did here today, or contact your local dealer and they'll be happy to help you out with any questions. Thank you very much.